They say with great beard comes great responsibility. Does it? Well, I don't know about that, but what I know for sure is that for a great beard, you need an extremely good beard care routine. And today, we're going to be talking about a routine that's not just extremely simple, but very, very effective. First up is this advanced beard growth oil from Myntra. It works on the stem cells of the follicles and the roots to enhance beard growth. Just take the desired quantity and massage the oil on the skin underneath the hair. And that's it. And it smells nice. Next, take this beard roller from Fi and just roll it over your beard. It promotes blood supply and further boosts your beard growth through micro needling. Remember, apply just slight pressure. And that's it. Just 2 simple steps for a great beard. You can keep it overnight or for a few hours during the day before finally washing it off.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.